Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 audio not working. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Okay, start with the basic things. First you need to check your speaker output. Click on the sound icon in here on the taskbar. And you can see this is a speaker related thing. And this is a speaker related thing. Just tap on this arrow icon and make sure your speaker is correctly set up. If you have several speakers, you need to select the correct one, and if it is correctly set up and still the problem is happening, you need to go with further. Then you need to run the audio troubleshooter. To do that, you need to press Windows plus I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu. Under the system section, you need to go to the little bit down in the right side menu, go to the troubleshoot and go with other troubleshooters, and you can see most frequent one in my case, playing audio. If you can't see it here, you need to scroll down a little bit, then you will be able to find. Just tap on run button, then it will be automatically detecting the problems related to audio. Then after it will be guide you how to fix that issue. In my case, I have two audio devices, so you can go further with related your device. So I'm not going to do that. Just go to next and it will be automatically fix your issue. So that also not working, you have to go with next step. Next we need to check the Windows updates. To do that, go to start menu, tap on setting. In the left side menu, you need to go last one, Windows update. And you can see I am currently post the Windows update until the tomorrow, but in your case you will be find check for update kind of button in here. You just need to tap on it, then it will be automatically download the latest update from the internet, and it will be automatically installed also. So if you need to restart your computer to install the latest updates. Then you can check the audio is working, because sometimes audio drivers are affected to Windows update, so it will be fixed after the complete the Windows update. So it also not working, you can go with further. In right now you need to update the audio drivers. To do that, right click on the start menu, go to device manager here, open in okay, expand the you can expand sound, video and game controls. Double tap on it. In my case, you can see there are two audio device and one microphone. So in your case, if you think this has issue, right click on it, tap on update driver, and first you need to choose the first one, and it says the best drivers are already installed. So go back and choose the second one, again choose this one and tap on your driver and tap on next. This will automatically reinstall the current drivers in your computer. It will be able to fix the issue most of the time. So it also not working, you have to uninstall the drivers. To do that, right click on it, uninstall device, tap on uninstall. Then you need to restart your computer. It will be automatically install the necessary audio drivers when after you restarting. Then both methods are not working, you can go with further steps. Next you need to set your audio device as the default. To do that, you need to press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. Under the system section, go sound. You can see the output section. Make sure you have correct output speakers in your case. In my case, these are my output devices, so it is right. So check you have several speakers. Make sure you are selecting corrected device, and if you need to add new device, you can just tap on add device to pair a new output device. You can check the volume also. And this also not working, you need to disable audio enhancement. To do that, press Windows plus I again, open the settings. Under the system, go to sounds again, click on your output audio device, just tap on this arrow icon, and in here scroll down a little bit, you will be able to find enhance audio kind of button here. Make sure it is turned off. Currently it is turned off, that is okay. If you see it is turned on, make sure it is turned off, and you can just close this one. And all of the previous methods are not working, you have to check the hardware issues. Ensure your speaker or headphone are properly connected. Try using different audio device, so you can try it with another computer. If it has a hardware issue, you have to buy new one. So these are the methods I have to show you to fix your sound issues in your computer Windows 11. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.